Hey guys, it's me Katie, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a Roblox thumbnail. So what you want to do is you want to go to this game called the green screen, and then the plus sign, plus pose tool. So you just want to press play. And there you go. Now what you want to do is you just want to move it however you want. And actually, something happened with my video, so this is my second time recording, so I already did mine. So I'm just going to make a new one, but I'm not going to actually save it. And yeah, so you just move it however you want. So I'm just going to be like that, and you can do it like this and stuff. Okay, now what you want to do is just want to press ESC or press this 3-bar thing. I'm just going to do ESC, and you just want to press take a screenshot, and then or another button thingy, like I don't know what it's really called. And yeah. And then after you've done that, you just want to leave the game or press the X button. And then you want to go back. Then you want to go to a new tab, and you just want to search up really whatever you want. So I'm just going to search up something else. Yeah, I know. I was searching up something. I'm just going to say pastel. Okay, sorry. Pastel backgrounds. And you can do whatever you want. Or you can do aesthetic backgrounds. So that's what I'm going to do. So you could do like that one. It doesn't really matter on the size. This kind of looks cool. Maybe we can try this. So you just want to press save as, and you just want to press, you want to type in whatever you want. So I'm just going to type in background, or you could do 1, 2, 3. No. Background 1. Actually, background 2. Save that. You can exit out if that shows. Then you want to go to pixlr.com, and it's an online photo editor. I'll link it in the description. Then you want to open image from computer, and you want to find the background that you just saved. And you can do any background you want. So I'm going to do this one. And now what you want to do is, since that's not the size at all, you want to do image size and undo the check mark. And you want to do the width is 720 and the height is 1280. And you want to press OK. And then you can zoom it out. Okay, whoa. There. Now what you can do is you can file, open image, and you're going to find the screenshot that you took. So I think it's this one. Yeah. Now you want to do this tool, and you just want to make sure your whole body's in it. And then what you want to do is you want to press Control C, and you want to go back onto this one by clicking this title thing. Because if I clicked on that, where the green thing is, and you see this your background alert, you can press on that, or your title of it that you saved it as. So after you've done that, you want to go back onto the background thing you did, and then Control V. Bam. And then you want to do the hand tool, and you want to click on all the green things, and then press delete. And there might be stuff, oops, sorry, oh gosh. Okay. And there might be green spaces in between like here. So you can just click on that. It might be a little hard. Bam. And you can also do other stuff. I can maybe do that. Like that. And after you've done that, you can move it by pressing the move tool. And you can move it wherever you want. And you can press edit, free transform, and you press yes, and edit, free transform, and you can make it bigger, wider, really whatever you want. It's up to you. So I'm going to put it like that. After you're done that, you can add something else, like maybe you put like emoji on here or something. I'm just going to put, I want you to press yes after if you like pressing something else. I'm just going to put like a Roblox sign, open image again, and then just going to find what you want. So let's see, you can do like that logo. You don't have to do this logo, like a Roblox logo. You can do really anything you want. So I don't know where it is. Oh, there it is. Bam. Make sure that is transparent. Or if you're saying a text, you want to press Control A. So it's selecting this. Control C to copy it, and then go back onto this and press Control V. And there you go. And then the move tool, but it's already on move tool. And then you can do free transform or anything, but I'm not because I already like it. I like it like that. And then you want to go to the textcraft.net and you just want to type in whatever you want. And make sure it's not just in one thing, like right here. This is already in the text. Put your text. Make sure it's not just in one of the boxes. Split it up. And then what you want to do is you want to find like what like font you want. I did the K Arcade. And then make sure you're typing on that box. And you want to choose whatever color you want. I will do that color. See, look, if I do this color, bam. See how it changed. But I'm gonna change. Maybe I like it like that. But I kind of like the blue. See, oopsie. It just exit out that. And then you can, I'm just gonna leave it like the blue one. So just press create. And yeah, and there's all different types. You can do a different like kind of thing, or you can do like different colors. Like there's that much, as you can tell, like right here. That's how much, like where my mouse is. And yeah, after you've done that, what you want to do is you want to go back on the pixlr.com online photo editor. You want to press File, Open Image, and you just want to find your text that you saved. Oh, sorry, hold up, I'm too much. And after you like created it, you just want to press on it and press Save Image As. Name it whatever you want. And again, go to File, Open Image, and then you want to find your text that you wrote. So here's mine. Can press Control A, Control C, go back onto this thing, and then Control V. And then you can do free transform, and then like you can move it where you want. And yeah. Okay, yeah, okay. Okay, I'm gonna do edit, free transform. I'm gonna move this up here. Bam. Now I'm just gonna, yes, go back to here and make sure it's like the thing you want. And press check button, and then you can size it and make it bigger as like whatever you want. Like, and you press edit and free transform and make it really whatever you want. And after you've done that, you just want to press file, save, and then make sure it's on PNG, and then press OK, and then save it. So I'm just gonna say YouTube thumbnail 3 or something. Or you could do this like 1, 2, 3, but I just like to do that. So that's how you do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you just smash that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.